Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Forte 5 SX trim level with a 1.6 liter engine and it's turbocharged. Car comes with many options because it is the SX trim level. It has a sunroof, signal repeaters, aluminum alloy wheels, fog lights, and a few other features that we're going to talk about as we go around the car. We have this 2017 Forte 5 on special clearance price down at West Coast Kia. Come down and see us. Taking a walk down the driver's side of the car. And going inside, we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. Driver's seat is a powered memory seat with 2 positions. Has lane departure, traction control, rear cross traffic alert, and here heated steering wheel. Down below, some nice chrome sport pedals. Forte only has 198 kilometers on it. It will come with the balance of the factory warranty. The steering wheel has audio and cruise controls, as well as various other functions for the car. Climbing inside, we have Sirius XM radio. We have a backup camera, push button start, down below that dual zone climate control. We have heated and cooled leather front seats and a drive mode select switch. The seating surfaces are leather, and I believe I've already mentioned that the driver's seat is powered. Looking up, we have a sunroof. Going to the second row seats. They also have leather seating surfaces. And of course, they're heated. That second row is also 60-40 split. Plenty of room back here for cargo, carrying suitcases, carrying sports equipment, carrying gym equipment, or anything else you need to carry. There's also a cargo shelf that does come down with the door to hide your stuff so nobody can see it. A shot of that SXT badging with GDI, which means the engine is gas direct injected. Beautiful little gray-colored 2017 Kia Forte 5 SX trim level is available at West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. Come on down and see us. Best way to make an informed decision of how well this car will fit in your lifestyle is to come down and drive the car. So we invite you to come in for a test drive. Again, it's the 2017 Kia Forte 5 with the SXT trim level.